everybody, Nancy here from Fancy Nancy Diamond Painting with BB as my helper. Look how she shies away. She just don't touch me. And then as soon as I ignore her, she comes over and snuggles up. I have a diamond painting unboxing for you. It came from, well, it's China mail, but usually when it's Wish, it says Wish on it. I will look it all up and put a link in the description. Always check my descriptions because there's links and information about inventory in there. And sometimes I write little notes if I was wrong about something in the unboxing video. Imagine that. Sometimes I'm wrong. Oh, this is nice. Packaged really nicely. Came with a nice toolkit. Look at this. All packaged up with a green boat, pink pen, bags, wax, and tweezers. And this is very nice. Things aren't flopping around. Nothing's damaged. Let's see. Let me take the drills and the inventory. Take the inventory sheet out. These are all bagged up already in nice, neat, labeled little bags, little Ziploc bags. Each one has the number, the DMC code, and the weight. They package these by weight. Every time I think about somebody hand counting drills, that just makes me giggle. I will do the inventory on the drills and put it into the description so you know if they're all there. This is beautiful. It's a 30 by 50 full drill round, and it's like a little pond covered with water lilies. Very pretty. Very, very pretty. And there's 45 colors. Oh my gosh. That's a lot of colors. Okay, let's take a look at the canvas. Oh, this is a one from Royal Diamond Painting. I just tried these out. I've never bought from them before. Okay. I'm understanding all the really good quality now. Even though it came from China, clearly they have quality expectations that are very good. I mean, it came in a bubble wrapped container. And I don't remember what I paid for this, but it was a little more, you know, if you want top quality, you're going to have to pay for it. It was a little more than the standard China stuff, but look at the quality. Wow, it was wrapped around a foam core. Here we go. The drills are all bagged and labeled perfectly and really packaged neatly. There's no spare drills flying around. They use the paper on here, and it's cut for you, which I love. I just thought this image was lovely. And it's going to look really nice when it's done and framed. It's full drill round, like I said. They put the little circle around each symbol. But that's fine. You can't see that past the drills. I think it makes it look a little busy, but it doesn't really matter. It's just me noticing a difference from the ones that don't have the circle around them. Wow, that's a lot of blues and a lot of greens and a lot of beautiful water lilies. Here you go. You can see the image. Whoops, paper flopped down. There we go. The symbols are all very, very clear. And let me put the image up for you. Did I say that? I always feel like I've said that already. Either way, put it up so you can see it, even if it's a second time. And lovely. It's just lovely. It's got some little creases, but a little weight on it. We'll take that out. I would suggest to people too that when you have creases or your diamond painting isn't perfectly flat, to stick it under your mattress or something, or use, like I use the weight of my other diamond paintings to flatten mine out. But you know, do something to flatten it out before. I have a couple that had creases right up to the point where I put them on a stretched canvas, and it's harder to get them out at that point. But yeah, so this is a company. Oh, I knocked that over. A company called Royal Diamond Painting. Really nice. I mean, what was the size again? 30 by 50, full drilled round. And everything was packaged up so nice and neat. And gives you all the information you need. I'm trying to figure, it's like refolding a map. That's not easy to do. So I'm going to put this all away for when I'm ready to do it. And seriously, thank you for joining me. I really appreciate it. Everyone is being so lovely and so nice and kind. I can't say enough about the quality of people I have met doing diamond painting. They're just the nicest people. And I'm very proud to be one of them. So you take care. Have a great day. Happy diamond painting. Bye-bye.